Hey, beautiful soul. There are friends that are like food. You need them almost every day. There are friends that are like medicine. You look out for them when you are feeling blue, and they had always make you feel better. There are friends that are like illness. They look out for you and take all your energy, but the most value ones are like air. You know they are there no matter what, even if you don't see them often. The crystals are saying your angels and guides are aware that something is on your mind. They have been by your side more than usual and have been sending signs to give you the answer you have been craving. Don't overthink the situation. Follow your intuition and be open-minded. All will become clear, but for now, ask them for guidance and trust in your own abilities to make things happen.